discussing the procedure. I was discussing the procedure when this meeting was completed. So I was letting you know that sometimes your IVs are not fully explaining your DV. Your R square value is low. In that case, you need to check whether some of the important variables are missing from your model. Uh, Perhaps this would be the case, like sometimes some unimportant or unrelevant uh, independent variables might be in your model, and some important variables might be missing from your model. In that case, you need to run OV test, that is variable omission test. It will let you know whether you need more variable in your model or not. So how can we run it? We simply need to run our regression using pooled OLS command. We need to suppose a pooled OLS. After running this command, you need to run OV test. If this value is less than 5%, it means there is a variable emission. But if this value is greater than 5%, it means there is no variable emission. So it means that there is no any variable emission here in our model. So in our case, the fixed effect estimations are basically the correct way of estimations. It might be possible that the previous studies who have conducted the studies on FDI may have also experienced the same R square or approximately close R square as we have estimated. So because there is no variable emission in our case, so it is confirmed that this model is correct and R square value is also correct. So this is how you can consider the procedure for this model. Now, if let's suppose our t value is less than n, then we need to run the PCSE model. So let's suppose this condition is fulfilled. So how can we run it? We simply need to write XTPCSE. XTPCSE. Then you need to put your dependent variable and independent variable in the same line or in the same position like this. And you can run this command. This is corrected or correlated panel corrected standard error, PSCE. If you notice here, the R square value is 39% here. While previously, what we have found the R square value in our robust result, the R square value is 13% only. So if our this condition is fulfilled, let's suppose if this condition is fulfilled, then in that case, this model is applicable because it corrects your R square value. The model is statistically fit. And if you see here, a lot of variables are still significant. Capital formation is significant here. Sustainable economic growth is not significant. GDP growth rate is not significant, while the remaining variables are highly significant, except RGR is not significant here. So this is how we can run the simple procedure using your command. I would like to share with you this file also uh, for your convenience so that you would be able to use it for generating your output tables for your convenience. So this is the procedure for simple uh, simple analysis using static panel. Next, tomorrow we will discuss the t less than 25 but n greater than 25. This procedure on another data set. It requires you to test the endogeneity issue within our data set. And after that, we will test these other procedure. as today is the Friday and today is basically the weekend for this week, the next session will be held on Monday. So, do you have any question, Adnan Afzal, regarding today's session?
Thank you, dear. We will discuss inshallah on Monday if there will be any problem.
All right, all right. So let's conclude this session. We will discuss next time on Monday, inshallah, the second condition, which is t less than 25 and n greater than 25. So stay blessed. Thank you and stay happy.